It's a 2018 Ram 1500. With superior performance and legendary hauling and towing capacity, this Ram 1500 is the one tool that can master any job you throw at it. And it comes with all the amenities you need: intercooled turbo V6 engine, four-wheel drive, driver selectable mode, trailer hitch receiver, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, active grille shutters, electronic shift on the fly, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver hails pretty much everything about this new truck is very well executed. When you need to grab life by the horns, you need a Ram. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.